You got some tractors?
Tractors.
Daddy got some John Deere tractors from Daddy while Mama was away. Did Daddy get you the tractors?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you come show Mommy the combine?
Come on.
Where's the combine?
Come on.
No, that's the gator. Have you ridden on an alligator with Papa in the pasture to see all the cows? There's the combine. Is Papa driving combine to pick corn?
Come on.
It's tractor. Yeah, is there a wagon? There's all sorts of fun stuff. Is that pretty cool? Is it all John Deere?
Wagon.
A wagon. Is it John Deere?
Danny deer.
Addie, what color is John Deere? What color is this? What color is John Deere?
Green.
It is green. All right, we're gonna put tractors away.
Today.
Yep. Say bye-bye, Papa. You blow him a kiss?